Hello, fun and learn student of class 8th. Today we will discuss the second chapter of your geography, and the chapter name is the solar system. Today the topic that we'll discuss is not visible by your naked eyes. If you look over at the sky, you will not see this system that we are going to discuss, but if you have a telescope, then you can clearly look the system of the universe, that how universe work, and what are the solar system and what are the family member in that solar system. So we will discuss this solar system. Now first we need to understand that what is solar system. So solar system means the family of the sun is known as the solar system. It consists of the sun, 8 planets, satellites, asteroids, comets, meteors, dust and gases. And more information on solar system is that the solar system is about 27,000 light years away from the center of the Milky Way galaxy, and it is about 470 crore years old. Now the first member of the solar system, which is in the center of that system, and that is your sun. So the sun is the largest member of the solar system and is located at its center. The diameter of the sun is about 109 times more than the diameter of the earth. So you can imagine the size of the sun. Now, it is the main source of the heat and light for all forms of life on the earth. So, and what more information on sun is that the sun is a huge mass of hot gases. The enormous amount of energy in the form of heat and light makes the sunshine. And what is the main source of the sun's heat? Is a nuclear furnace inside, and nuclear fission and fusion reaction that take place that produces the heat and energy in the sun. Next topic is your planet. The celestial body which revolve around the sun along fixed orbit are called planets. They revolve around the sun. So there are 8 planets in the solar system, and in order of their increasing distance from the sun, 8 planets can be named as like this: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Now one important characteristic of planet is that the planets do not have their own heat and light. They reflect the light of the sun, and all the planets revolve around the sun in anti-clocks direction, that is from west to east. Now look at the topic on classification of planets. Once you have understood the topic planet, now it is classification of planets. So on the basis of physical properties, the planets are grouped into inner planets and outer planets, and other on the basis of your whether the orbit of the planet lie within the orbit of the earth or beyond it. The planets are grouped into inferior planets and superior planets. So look at it first, inner and outer planets. Now inner planets and outer planets, the planets which are relatively close to the sun are known as the inner planets, like Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Similarly, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are known as the outer planets. Next is your inferior and superior planets. So the planets which are closer to the sun are found within the orbit of the earth are called inferior planets, like Mercury and Venus. Second, the planets whose orbits are outside the earth's orbit are called the superior planets, like Mars, Jupiter and Saturn. Here in this figure you can see here, this is the sun and these are the inner planets, and this is your outer planets. The distance of outer planets is far away from the sun and relatively closer. Inner planets are relatively closer with the sun. So I think you have understood the topic classification of planets, inner and outer planets, inferior and superior planets. Now next topic in the next video. Thank you.